Bravo Company EOL. So she is the backbone of our EO program here at the company. She makes sure that training is getting done, that it's documented, that all our policies and regs are up to date, that our boards are squared away. She also makes sure to help out with the many different observances there are. And recently we just went through an inspection, and thanks to her hard work and dedication, we passed our SAV and our inspection with no deficiencies whatsoever, and obviously we couldn't have done that without all the hard work that she put into it. So thank you.
Attention all. This is to certify that the Secretary of the Army has awarded the Army Achievement Medal to Sergeant Ashley C. Wilson for meritorious service while serving as the Bravo Company Key Caller. Her compassion and dedication contributed to the success of the deployed family members of Bravo Company. Sergeant Wilson's exemplary performance reflects great credit upon her, Dwight David Eisenhower Army Medical Center, the Regional Health Command Atlantic, the United States Army Medical Command, and the United States Army for 1 August 2017 to 31 March 2018. Signed, Ross A. Davidson, Lieutenant Colonel, MS Commanding.
Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Army Princess Platoon. It's your girl, Army Princess here, and I'm back with another video. So, I have something special for you all because guess what? This channel is almost at 3K. When I say 3K, I said 3K. And your girl is so happy, so excited, so thankful for everyone who follows me and everyone who supports my channel, everybody that leaves a comment. I am so excited, so thankful. So I want to get back to you. I am going to start a new series May 1st, guys. May 1st. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you hit that notification bell below so you don't miss a video. But May 1st, I'm going to do a series. It is called 10 for 10. So I'm going to give you 10 military videos for 10 days straight in a row at 12 noon every single day for 10 days straight. My 10 for 10 is going to be called the Military 10 for 10 series. So what I need you all to do, I need y'all help because I know y'all be asking me about military videos every single day. I get questions, I get emails, I get all types of military related comments. So what I want you to do is comment below on this video. In this video below, leave any questions you have. Any questions, any ideas, any suggestions for my military 10 for 10. And I will pick out 10 videos. I will not pick out 10 videos. I will pick 10 suggestions of topics, and I will do videos in my military 10 for 10. From May 1st through, actually it's going to be May 12th because of course there's a weekend, and so probably on the weekend I'll do my regular family vlog type stuff. But I want to give y'all 10 military videos for 10 days straight at noon starting May 1st. But I need suggestions, guys. I do have a few suggested videos that I want to do, like people ask me about makeup and different military related hair type questions, but I need you all to help me. I need you all to give me in the comment section below, leave your video suggestions, whatever you want me to make a video of. Go ahead and leave it below, and I will pick 10, at least up to between 8 to 10 of those ideas and make videos out of them. I also need you all to subscribe to my channel and to go ahead and check out my Instagram, and I'll leave that here. Because at the end of the 10 days or the 12 days, depending on if I do 10 days or 12 days, I am going to do a giveaway. Yay! giveaway because I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I appreciate all the love and support on my channel, especially the prayers, y'all, the prayers that y'all been praying for my girl going through this IVF process. And during that time, when I do the 10 for 10, I will be in my waiting period for IVF to find out if I'm pregnant. So I want to do a giveaway to let you all know that I'm so thankful for you supporting my channel, and I'm so thankful for all your prayers, and I'm so thankful for all of you all, you know, just leaving me love and commenting that I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of the 10 days. But you have to be subscribed, you have to hit the notification bell, and you have to be a follower on my Instagram page to be a part of that giveaway. So, and I will give you all the giveaway guidelines at the end of the 10 days. But make sure you go ahead and drop your ideas now. Tag people. Share this video with people that you know going into the military and they might want to be a part of this. Y'all, we're trying to spread the word. We're trying to educate everybody. Go out and I need you all to go out and do something else other than something for yourself. Bye, guys.